Ready to ditch the pre-order wait and get your hands on FIFA 25 on PC right now. First, open your favorite web browser. I'm using Chrome here, but Firefox, Edge, or whatever you prefer will work just fine. In the search bar, type in Steam Unlocked. Make sure you spell it correctly, as there are some similar sounding websites out there that aren't the real deal. Look for the official Steam Unlocked website in the search results. It's crucial you select the correct one to avoid any potential risks. Generally, it is the first result, or the one with steamunlocked.net in its URL. Click on it. Once you're on the Steam Unlocked homepage, you'll see a prominent search bar. This is where we'll find FIFA 25. Type FIFA 25 into the search bar and hit enter or click the search icon. A page with FIFA 25 should appear. If the game hasn't been released yet, or if it's not immediately available on Steam Unlocked, you might see similar FIFA titles or previous versions. But for this video, let's assume FIFA 25 is there and ready to download. Click on the FIFA 25 game tile to go to its dedicated page. Here, you'll find details about the game, screenshots, and most importantly, the download button. Scroll down the page until you find the download button. It's usually located near the bottom. Clicking the download button might open a new tab or window with some ads or a waiting screen. Be patient and wait for any countdown timers to finish. Don't click on any suspicious links. After the waiting period, a file download prompt should appear. This will likely be a compressed file like a .zip or .rar. Click Save and choose a location on your computer to save the file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract here or a similar option to extract the game files. You'll need a program like WinRAR or 7-zip to do this. If you don't have one, you'll need to download and install it first. After the extraction is complete, you'll have a new folder containing the FIFA 25 game files. Open this folder and look for the game executable file, which usually has a X extension. Double-click it to launch the game. And that's it. FIFA 25 should now be launching on your PC. Remember to adjust the game settings to your liking for the best performance. Enjoy.